I go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.
Yeah, my viewers, yeah, my subscriber, you don't know this is Newlink, and right now, people, I come to do this report on this young man, his life and everything, you know what I mean? Because when I see a really stalwart as a young youth and the gone people, you don't know Newlink do it now. We have to really share their story, because many people may not talking about this young man who has dedicated his life of representing and serving the country of Jamaica, who has passed away at such a young age, at the age of 22 years old, people. And you don't know Newlink, but really have to come, people, and share the memories about this young man who goes by the name of Giovanni Lewis. He was a graduate of the Marcus Garvey Technical High School in St. Ann, people, who left that high school in 2015, and then he decided to join the Jamaica Defense Force, which he do join the Defense Force, people, the Jamaica Defense Force, and where he was serving up until the time of death. Well, people, it is said that this young man, right, he and two of his other friends, soldier as well, they was on duty in the Grangeville community in Westmoreland, people, when like they get a call to come assist some police officers in another part there. While they was on their way, they was driving their soldier G, people. When the driver of the vehicle, he tried to skip from a patrol. When he tried to swing out of the patrol, he find himself in a light pole. The three person who was on board, people, they, you know what I mean, the vehicle crashed, so them hat up and knock out and thing. Giovanni, he got a hit in his head. The people come on the scene, they carry them to hospital, where Giovanni, he was transferred to Kingston, fly into Kingston, where he never make it, people. He was pronounced dead, while the two other persons, they are still in hospital and has been treated. But people, it is really sad to know this young man here, he was a very serious young man in representing his country, because his word is to his mama was, "Mommy, if I die serving my country, please don't worry." That was his word he always said to his mommy. You know what I mean? So he always tell himself that Jamaica is his country, and he's proud he's going to serve Jamaica, he's going to represent Jamaica to the highest level. And people, it is really sad. And this young man was a very dedicated young man from school, because he's also the deputy head boy for the Marcus Garvey Technical High School. And as I tell you, he graduated in 2015. You can see the school, friends from the school, friends from the JDF has pouring out their love and support for this young man, people. And it's really terrible to know that people, you know what I mean, good people have been good people have been, people, it is sad. You know what I mean? St. Ann is a community where I look up to, and I know there's several stalwarts that come out of that parish, as they would say, the Garden Parish, from Bob Marley go right up, people. There are so much stalwarts from that parish. And you know what I mean, people, when I see a young man who is dedicated and make up his mind to serve and protect and everything, like what many people would say, it's sad to see the past that way. And as I can know, people, Grangeville right now, a lot of Jamaica Defense Force members are there alongside with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, because they are doing their thing from the crime that was being heavily, where several persons was being killed last year in Grangeville. Their presence were still in that community and up until date. So, you know what I mean? That's what he was doing. He was still on duty, where he was kill people, and it is just sad, people. Just sad. As me tell you, it's sad. So from me, Newlink Production and the team, you know what I mean, want to send out our deepest condolences to the family and to the whole JDF team who, you know what I mean, who is in mourning right now, and to everyone who know this young man from the Marcus Garvey Technical High School, and to all his friends, parents, and everybody, man. I don't know, keep strong, be strong. He did it. He served, he protect, but it's just sad to know he passed, and we wept.
What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink.